Can I use Pitty, our polarized light kit for infrared and UV photography? Polarized, this kit comes with a technical photography kit. Polarized light photography is widely used in art documentation to remove the ugly reflection from the varnish and to enhance the colors of faded paints and inks. In this example, we show we can remove the reflection of the coin. Look the coin over here, with the polarizer filter the reflection is totally removed. Crossed polarized filters stop visible, we can do polarized visible photo, as we do. On the other hand, this is the camera with the infrared filter mounted. Polarized filters are transparent to the infrared, so we can't do polarized infrared photo. This is a camera for infrared reflectography, so we are in the far infrared. These filters are transparent in this infrared range, so we can't do infrared reflectography polarized photo.